Yes, go ahead.
So what would be the case with someone that went through a conversion? Is he allowed to be secluded with his mom, considering spiritually speaking, she's not his mom anymore?
Mm-hmm. So that would be an exception because there is still biological connection. So, but with the sisters and nieces, so that's is trying to stay away. So the mother, it would be the only exception.
So what about a woman?
So one sec. Before we continue, just so we understand, if there are other people in there, for example, he's a guy went through conversion and went back to his parents, stay for a weekend, let's say. So there is no problem if father is there, or there is his brother, his sister, there, some other people are there. There would not be a problem, right? So we say only if a mother-in-law, mother alone, no problem. But if there are other people are there even less problem. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. No, I was gonna say that. What about a woman and her father after she converts?
I would say stay away, and it's simply because Gemara said that he technically can marry her, right? Because they're two different souls, two very very different. But even if they convert together, let's say a woman like grown up, and then she converted with her father. So after the conversion, they can marry each other. Let's say her mom died, or they got divorced or something. Of course, we're not. Halachically it is permitted, but our sages say don't do it because it muddy sign, right? The people, Gentiles would say they say even us, the Jews are supposed to be more holy, right? And look what they do. Even we would not do such a thing, but they're doing. So that's how different people, the people after conversion. You understand? So we try and if need to, so she can stay there, but better not to.